tired. Right now we're basically rushing to get the car into paint. It's pretty much stripped, the windshield's ready to come out, we're going to pull the dashboard probably as well. Right now we're going to get the suspension up as high as we can, so like the car is being lowered. And then we can measure the fitment for the wheels, calculate for the tires, see where we're going to cut for the wide body. Today's paint, that's it. Adam from Black Horse, Wagner from Track Day Inn are getting all of the parts ready for the engine. Hopefully the motor, the engine block, the cylinder block will be coming back from being refurbished, from being cleaned at the machine shop. Then they'll get building that. Hopefully that'll be finished by tonight. Hopefully the paint will be finished by tonight so we can let it sit overnight and then tomorrow sand it. At which point start reassembling on day number 4. That's the plan. You can shake the camera. You want to go here? Here? Little stance camber? Stamber? I just made that up. Copyright, trademark, stamber. Yes, there is camber. I can see it. Okay, yeah. Pretty fast. Well, we dropped the bumper and we broke the bumper. Easy. Yeah. This bumper is basically just an unskilled, non-chain smoking RWB neckeye son who doesn't know what they're doing and is a complete fake as far as cutting holes in cars go. Much respect to RWB. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Tá bom. 4 por 10? Eu comprei no estaleiro 5 por 10. É? Ó,
Rapaz, deixa ela colocar o chapéu, rapaz.
Ah, quer colocar o chapéu, Dinico? Pega lá então a gente faz e volta.
Aí. É nóis!
Limpou a liga de óleo?
Não, foi dado banho.
Esse copo não tem. Ele não tem injetor de óleo, mas
Já tive
é que não tá encanado, né? Não. Eles passaram aquela. Mexendo? Esse acha que vai dar bom.
Dar uma filmadinha já. Você achou os visorinhos condensados? O mangal central.
Eu fui olhando, tudo standardzinho, eu comecei a olhar as folgas dele, né? Eu falei, isso aqui olhando aqui é uma maravilha, cara.
É o que eu costumo apertar.
É forjado, né? Deve aguentar mais, né? Mais baixo.
Então antes de colocar o cabeçote
Se
aqui.
não der certo, você tem uns pisodeiro do Guedinho.
É?
Já abre o furo aí pra 12 já. 12 não, 14, né? 14. Abre 14 e coloca.
Não, mas peraí. Chegando?
Parece que tá, né? Tá demorando pra dar o corte.
É, então.
Aperta aqui com o porquímetro também, Melo, por gentileza.
Deixa eu ver se eu consigo travar ele aqui em algum lugar.
De longe, chegando pra perto.
Pesando ele, você põe lá?
Acho que você trabalhou um pouco, né? Tá legal, você quer botar?
Mas
Pode
botar,
botar.
guardou?
Tá aqui no bolso. Esse aqui também precisa ser.
Vai?
Mas o carinho eu tava segurando o papel.
Well, we got a hot tip that this accessory store called 37, that's just the name of it, has the bumpers that we need, which nobody else seems to have, so fingers crossed. It is pretty amazing. As soon as we walk in, there's hubcaps, steering wheels, all sorts of stuff everywhere. So you need a new front panel for your bus, they've got it apparently. Beetle fenders, it's pretty cool already. Alright, do I need a blindfold? Holy crap. Holy crap. Look at the fantastic VVS Motorsport awesomeness now. This is so good. So, I think we showed them when we came out, but yeah, Vision R Garage just absolutely crushed it with a really, really fast polish job. So we can hopefully get the wheels starting to assemble. Dude, thank you so much, really.
Obrigado.
Oh yeah, obrigado, really.
Obrigado. Viu?
So we just got back from our, I don't know, 2 days worth of parts buying. This is getting ready to go to paint. We cut the fenders earlier and the body shop's actually welded reinforcement to make it really, really strong. So if the wheel hits it, it's not going to get cut up. We're not going to splice a tire or anything. And the body won't have any detrimental effects from all the metal we cut. Caster Suspensions continues to surprise and kick ass. And I realize there's noise still. We are working, that's it. Caster Suspensions does all the in-house fabrication. They also do their installs for the Brazilian customers. This is a full metal, complete replacement bed, completely smooth. So that's going to go in over the original bed to give us kind of a false floor, but perfectly smooth, straight, and give us a great base for all the other cool things we want to do to it. They also surprised me right now. I did not find this. They found this. How about a brand new? The cameraman is freaking out right now. He is behind the camera freaking out. Absolutely brand new. Amazing. Just incredible. I had no idea that these existed new, yet somehow one just showed up. So, we told everyone we're doing wide body. The secret is out. It's been weeks and weeks of development and work. And this, well, this is gonna sit right there. And we can choose the angle we want, but you've seen the Photoshop by now. Go on my Instagram, instagram.com/xjamieXOE. You can also go on Black Forest Industries Instagram. You can go on Caster Suspensions and see the Photoshops of this. What are we doing? What is Brazil doing? This is crazy. All right, I'm gonna get back to work. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you haven't. This isn't even the end of the video probably, but I'm going back to work.
Delivery Tires, BP97.
All right, we got some tires. Good to see you. Delinte, I have them, the Delinte tires on my 2019 Jetta in the USA, and right now Delinte Brazil and Volkswagen 97 have a delivery for us right here. After you. In a Volkswagen Polo. So we have the 195/45/15. The reason we've gone for the 195/45 is this is going on a 10-inch wide. How do you say 10-inch in Portuguese?
Vamos see.
10 polegadas.
10 polegadas.
10 polegadas BBS E75 Motorsport. So these will be stretched out to 10 inches. This is the DH2 tire from Delinte. Massive thank you to Delinte Brazil. Dude, thanks for bringing them.
Oh,
Obrigado.
thank you.
Cool, let's build some wheels. Out in Worthersee very briefly, and I'm wearing my Soga shirt. So if you're in Italy next year, you're going to be there. No entendo inglês, no entendo português, entendo Volkswagen.
Ajude-me.
Help me. All right. So if you want to check out their social media, there's the accounts.
Yeah.
Who knows if you can
Yeah.
focus on that? Check out my Instagram, the links are on there. Done.